Hello, in this video I want to show you 5 useful Google Assistant commands on Nokia C32. And let's start with the first one, and also I will remind you that you need to enable this for all of the commands to work. Enable your Google Assistant for the lock screen and make sure that you have a voice match. Next is a command, so we're going to start with translation. You can translate basically any language available in Google Translate into real words by asking your Google to do this. And let's try it. Hey Google, translate to Polish, I ate the burger. Now, if you have a volume up on your phone, he will speak it out loudly with the translation. So that's very nice when you're traveling. And next comment will be to call somebody. You can ask your Google to call basically anyone from your contacts. You just need to say call and then name the person you want to call. And let's try it. Hey Google, call mom. Now
Got it. What's your mother's name?
Now you will need to enter your say your mom name, and it will basically call that contact. Next, while we're at the call person, then we can go for a message as well. So you can message anybody, and also you can say out loudly what's included in the message. Let's say, hey Google, send message to my mom, I ate the burger.
Got it. What's your mother's name?
And it will send a message to your mom with that you've ate the burger. Next one is to find your phone if you lost it somewhere in your room, and you can just say to play any song, or you can ask your Google, where are you? Let's do it. Hey Google, where are you?
I'm in the cloud, but I'm also...
Your phone will speak out loudly, and it will be easy to identify where it is. Next thing is to count the calories. You can count calories in any food by asking for it for your Google. So let's try it. Hey Google, how many calories in a Big Mac? And here you have your answer. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.